Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This video will watch the best multi-purpose hand blender from over 41,796 customer reviews and brand Mueller, Austria. Mueller Ultra Stick 500 Watt 9-speed Immersion Multi-Purpose Hand Blender Heavy-Duty Copper Motor Brushed 304 Stainless Steel with Whisk, Milk Frother Attachments. Why buy 3 different appliances when you can get them all in one? Mueller created our stainless steel handheld blender to help preserve drawer and counter space while making your cooking and baking experiences more seamless. Special feature: whisk smoothly, froth effortlessly, 500 watts motor for powerful blending, 9 speeds and turbo mode, blend seamlessly. Fast track your baking and cooking. Whip up your favorite meals and drinks in record time. Our stainless steel, extra sharp blades mean your handheld blender can blend, puree, or mix even the densest ingredients with increased precision and ease. Increased kitchen power. Equipped with a 500 watts motor and comfortable ergonomic handle, this 3-in-1 blender is carefully calibrated to deliver on both looks and utility for the long haul. At-home lattes. Need a coffee break? Treat yourself to a homemade latte thanks to your speedy handheld appliance. Simply attach the frother head to create customized hot drinks in minutes. Customizable settings. With 9 speeds, choose your preferred pace depending on the task at hand. We recommend a lower setting for things like frothing hot drinks, while blending starches and thick soups may require a higher setting. Turbo mode. Kick it up a notch by tapping into Turbo mode, a setting on the side of your blender's handle. This burst of increased power helps you easily move through high-resistance, dense recipes. Practical design. Cleaning just got a lot easier. Simply detach your chosen attachment from your blender and place it in the dishwasher, ready to go for next time. If you have any questions, ask in the comment section. Also, if you like my video, please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching my video.